I'm excited to share something with you guys. You know, I just really don't want to make this a long Periscope, but what I do want to say is something that I think is really, really important. Let me turn the air down because my hair is going crazy. Hey, you guys. How are you all? I want to talk about being an entrepreneur and having a business and how important it is. I think what happens is, and I'm really just kind of airing something that I constantly see. You know, I've run a very successful business, and I've done it in 2.5 years' time. And I just really want to put this out there for anyone watching that's new to starting or growing their own business. I see people shoot out the door and they're so excited and they're so motivated and they get a lot done in a little bit of time, you know, and then they just fall off like out of nowhere. You're just like, what happened to you? You know, you had all this drive in the world and you had all this dedication and you had these huge dreams and, you know, you had all these really exciting things that you wanted to accomplish in your life, and then you just disappear. It's like you just walk away from your dreams, and it really breaks my heart to see people do this to themselves. You know, they could potentially be worth themselves millions of dollars. They could potentially make hundreds of thousands of dollars, but yet they just walk away because they don't have the endurance in them to move forward and march on. And I want to share something with you guys, and then I'm going to end this, but I want something to just chew on for all of you entrepreneurs out there. There's a story, and it's true, and I should have read up on this before I actually shared it, but I'm going to give you the basics of this story, and it goes like this. There were two groups of explorers that decided that they were going to, you know, march halfway across the world, basically, to end in Antarctica. And it's never been done before, and they did it in the early 1900s. There were two groups. So one group decided that they were going to make a plan, stay consistent, and they were going to be very, very steady Eddie, right? The other group, they decided to make a plan that they were going to march anytime that the weather was good, and to camp out when the weather was bad, and you know, take it easy, but just, you know, try to make it down there like that. I will tell you that Group A, who decided to march regardless of the weather, regardless of what was going on, they marched every day, whether it rained or shined, whether there was a blizzard or there was no blizzard. They marched, and they decided that they would march 20 miles every day, no matter what the condition was. The other group, the ones that camped out, and they would march as far as they possibly could to exhaust themselves, and then they would just stay under protection when there would be blizzards. That group, they died and they didn't make it. The group that stayed on a steady march of 20 miles a day were the ones who made it. And that is such a good application for our life as entrepreneurs, that you've got to stay steady and consistent. You can't just like poof out the door and then do something really fabulous and then just sit back and camp out and then expect results. You've got to stay consistent. You've got to march your 20 miles every day in order to see the fruit of what you're planting. And so I just wanted to encourage you guys with that word today. I'm amazed at the amount of people who just drop off because they don't want to stay consistent. And I really think that that is something that you have to prove to yourself, that you are going to be willing to just move forward every day, march forward, even when you don't want to, you do it anyways. Even if you don't want to find that extra customer or recruit that day, you do it anyways because you've got an end result in mind, and you don't know how long it's going to take you, but you're willing to go the distance. You're willing to fight for this cause that you have, your why. If your why doesn't make you cry, then I'm sorry, it's not big enough. If your why makes you awesome for 6 weeks into your entrepreneur business, into your business that you joined, if it makes you awesome for 6 weeks and then you fall off the face of the planet and you have no more drive in you, then your why was not big enough to drive you for 2 years. In a normal 9-to-5 job, if you're going to own a business, like I'm about to go into this chiropractor business right now and get my neck adjusted, that usually takes about 5 years to see the turnaround and start profiting, you guys. With an entrepreneur business like we have in network marketing, you see profit instantly. And if that takes you 5 years to grow into $1 million business, then I would say it was well worth it. But if you don't have a fight in you to push through the hard moments, or push through, or if it only takes you 6 to 8 weeks to get it tired and then you just move on, then you're gonna have a really hard time just in life being successful. You've got to have something in you that makes you stick to the plan and makes you fulfill it. If you don't, then you're not going to last doing anything. You've got to stick with it and stop quitting on things, okay? I just get so sad for people, and it makes me really passionate because a lot of people out there, a lot of my generation, they miss out on some amazing blessings in their life because they're not willing to fight for their dreams and they're not willing to stick with something. Please stick to your plan, stick to your goal. Even when you don't want to, you do it anyways. You don't quit on yourself. You're not doing yourself any good, and you're not growing yourself and your character and the person that God really made you to be if you just throw in the towel after a couple of months of doing something. I mean, you're gonna walk, if you walk out of one thing, you're gonna walk into the next thing the same way with the same attitude. So I want to see those people fight for their dreams, fight for their businesses, and succeed in it. You guys are worth $1 million, and I hope that you can believe that in your heart. When you start believing that in your mind and your heart, you're going to soar in whatever you do. So anyways, that's what I had to say today. I love you dearly. I just pray blessings over you, and I pray that you would begin to put that 20-mile march in your heart and your head, and you march towards your goal every day, and you don't throw in the towel when you get tired or when you don't see success, that you push through and you keep going, okay, you guys?